den 13. Todestag gehabt. Und in einer Woche hat der Leonard Cohen seinen 82. Geburtstag. Ich werde ausnahmsweise ein bisschen Leonard Cohen spielen. Und das erste ist ein selbst zusammengepanstes irgendwas, sozusagen eine Hommage. I'd like to speak with Leonard. He's a sportsman and a chef. Heard your breath for a runaway man. I heard you softly whisper, you rang the bells that still could ring. You saw the crack in everything. And the light came, it wasn't much, just before. I heard you ask, whom shall I say is calling? Oh, the wars they will be fighting. The holy dove, it will be caught again. Caught and sold and fought again. You will see in heaven falling. He's a lazy bastard.